Hello, Lee Zerfus. Today we're going to be talking about the Okidata pro510DW. There's three pieces to this equipment. We've got the engine itself, we've got the feeder, which makes this awfully unique in the fact that it's a web-fed device. The last piece that comes in is the rewinder that requires some minor assembly. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and about a half hour to 45 minutes worth of time. Make sure that you follow the directions step by step, and you'll have no problem walking yourself through the installation. There's several components to the front piece of this. We'll talk about the consumables for a couple minutes here. This is an LED-based technology. There's no laser. We're getting 50 to 60,000 hours worth of the LEDs. There's the LED itself. We never want to touch that. We've got 4 toner cartridges, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and they are part of the imaging drum itself. But what's unique about this printer is that each one of these pieces is unlockable to where, as we want, we can just replace the toner or the drum, the fuser itself, or the transfer belt at recommended duty cycles. The third component, or the last component, is the fuser. It's rated for about 100,000 impressions. Locks into place. If I pop the cover up, you'll see below here, here's the transfer belt. And these are the consumables to the piece, to the engine itself. Loading media is as simple as this. We have our media on a 3-inch core. Slides onto the machine. We're going to back it up all the way to the rear guide. Loading media. There are 2 yellow tabs that we're going to press down. That opens up the door. Second thing we're going to do is open up the clear panel where the sensors are at. The eyes open outward. We're going to pull the media through the opening, and we're going to stage it right at the eyes here. Close the eyes. Doors. Door. At this point, we're going to load the media. It's cutting the media. I'm going to open the door. This ensures this nice clean cut feeding into the machine. Close the door. Close the door. Again, the safety locks. And then we'll hit done. The media is now loaded. As we talk about media, right now there's about 80 to 90 pre-qualified medias that are on pre-converted stock. There's 46 processes or 46 things that are checked to ensure that the temperature and the running speed is correct and it correlates to the proper media. In this case here, we've got a 3 across 4x6 label. It's a semi-matte stock. The first step that we need to do is load it into the media manager itself so that the device recognizes what media is going into the machine. From that point there, as we load the media on the control panel on the side, it's going to acknowledge that media, and the same media that's called up in your media manager, as well as on the control panel of the feeder itself, are going to match one another. That's going to ensure that the speed and temperature is correct as we image the job through. So at this point, we've released the job from the queue. The data is arriving here at the console. It's being processed. Things we're considering during this warm-up period is getting the fuser nice and warm, getting the speed adjusted, going through the calibration cycle. You're hearing the feeder starting to go. It's starting to print. And we're off to the races. Runs at the same speed as what the engine is. We've got a dancer bar controlling tension. And when the job's done, we're ready to go.